Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all, at the end of this video, I'm going to have another update on my wife, Amy. Y'all, thank you for coming back to my channel. Please subscribe. Please share these videos out. Leave me your thumbs up. Leave me your comments. I do read every one of my comments. And I love you all. Okay, on President Trump's executive orders. President Trump said that we will stop evictions and there will be no more evictions. Larry Kudlow said, well, this is not really an eviction ban. With President Trump's eviction order, people can still be evicted. And this will hurt them people in a lot more ways. It will destroy their credit. They will still owe the back rent. Now they've got the new deposit for the new place that they moved to. Plus they've got the rent for the new place and the cost of moving. This is going to hurt them a lot. Some people won't be able to do it. Some people will probably be living in their cars, if they're lucky enough to have a car. So this executive order for rent protection is not really doing anyone any favors. Now in September, they start working on the yearly government budget. This is a bad time to talk about anything that does anything to do with stimulus checks. But at the same time, it is even closer to Election Day. Now, do they really want to be voted out of office? Just saying. Steve Mnuchin has said, why don't we just pass a bill for the things that we can agree on? And that would include stimulus checks. But the Democrats still say no to piecemeal. So who's dragging their feet now? Okay, let's see. The Republicans has had their turn at dragging their feet for 2.5 months. Now, I guess it's the Democrats' turn to drag their feet. At the same time, people are still hurting. People are still losing everything they've got. People are still being evicted from their houses. People are wondering where the next meal is coming from. Payroll tax cut. Most companies are not going to do the payroll tax cut. They say it's too complicated and they're unsure that it will be forgiven. Because actually the payroll tax cut is not a cut. It's a loan that you will have to catch up later. So that's not really helping no one either. So these executive orders of President Trump, a lot of people looks at them as a good thing. I don't. They're a bad thing. The best thing in the world would be for the Democrats and the Republicans to get together and pass a bill on the things that they can agree on. Get those things passed and then go to work on the other stuff that they're not agreeing on. That would just make it too simple, and you know they can't do anything simple. They got to have a long, drawn-out process of dragging their feet and kicking that can further down the road while the American people suffers. Because they're not suffering. They've got everything they need. They got everything they want. They got everything they could ever want. So they don't care. Y'all, a little update on my wife, Amy. She is still doing great. I would say she's 100%. Last night she wanted to go for a ride, so we took about a 2.5 hour ride. As y'all, some of you may know, we live in Pensacola, Florida. We ended up in Orange Beach, Alabama. So we was out riding, just joyriding for about 2.5 hours. We really enjoyed it. Today she's been helping me pack up stun guns, getting them ready for shipping out. So yeah, she's really getting back into the swing of things. She's been helping me make labels for the packaging, all kinds of stuff. I woke up this morning. She had my banana nut bread muffin heated up, and she had my coffee waiting for me. My wife is coming back, and I want to thank you all for all your well wishes, cards, comments, and all your prayers. And I got to thank God above for answering them all. Y'all know without Him, she would not be here. Y'all, we will get out of this whole COVID thing, stimulus thing, whatever you want to call it. We will get out of it, and we will be better when we do. We'll be better for enduring the hardship. As you all know, it's darkest before light, and it's pretty dark right now. Most of the things that they're doing right now is to help the rich get richer. It's not to help the common people like me and you. I mentioned yesterday about China having that new vaccine for the coronavirus, whatever you want to call it, the China virus. A lot of people, I think, took me the wrong way, but I said that I would be in line for it. But y'all, I would not be in line for it until I seen trials on their own people to make sure it works. I'm not their guinea pig. But if it works, it works. It don't matter where it came from, in my opinion. Now, if y'all don't want to take it, that's perfectly fine. That's your choice. But to me, a vaccine is a vaccine wherever it comes from, as long as it works, and it works on their people first. If their people starts dropping off the earth, then no, I'm not taking it either. But I want to see their trials first. Y'all, I make these videos every morning at 6 a.m. Please come back. And if there's something that warrants a new video during the day, I will make that too. Y'all, I've got the link to the stun guns down there. If you want one, go get it. The only way to get it is to click on that link. Sending me a private message will not get you one. You have to click on that link and go order it. I can't just send them without people ordering them. A lot of people's been confused about that. Y'all, I do love you all. Y'all, please watch these 2 videos that's coming up here. Even if you've already watched them, please watch them again. Or if you don't want to watch them, just click on them and let them play. That would help me tremendously. I need all the help I can get. And yes, y'all, Amy is helping me with the stun gun business because it has just been overwhelmed. I mean, and I love it, but Amy is in there. She's helping me get them out there, and I couldn't do it without her. Y'all, I do love you all. Keep those orders coming. Keep your faith in God. Keep your faith that we will get out of this thing, and keep praying. And keep your chins up. I love you all. Ciao.